Hi, I'm Boaz, a math teacher for impatience.
Percent. What is it? 1/100 of the whole. How to write it? 5 different ways. Percent, 100, 1%, 0.01, 1 over 100. Let's take an example. $200 in your wallet. How much money is 1% of this treasure? We said $200 in the wallet, and also we said percent is 100. So let's imagine a box containing 100 cells. Here it is, 10 over 10. Insert the whole treasure equally into the cells. How much money will each cell contain? Yes, each cell will contain $2. Therefore, 1% of $200 is $2.